Hi everyone, apa khabar? So we want to continue looking at differences between tak, belum, and bukan. So if you've not looked at our previous video, I would recommend searching for that video and viewing that first to understand the basic rules of usage of tak, belum, and bukan. So to continue, let's look at examples. First of all, usage of the three with an adjective. Pokok tu tak tinggi. So tinggi is an adjective which means tall. This sentence means the tree is not tall. It's different from pokok tu belum tinggi. So this means the tree has not grown tall yet. So the difference between the two is the first one with tak is the tree is definitely not tall. It could not grow any taller. Lastly, pokok tu bukan tinggi, tapi rendah. So this means the tree is not tall, but short. So usage of bukan with an adjective requires an additional explanation or support. So the tree is not tall, but rather it's wide, or maybe it's something else, but rather it's big. So it requires an additional explanation, and that's how we use bukan with adjectives. Lastly, kereta tu bukan biru tapi ungu. So this is usage with an adjective. Biru means blue, ungu means purple. So that sentence is the car is not blue, but rather it's purple. Next, let's look at usage with verbs. Saya tak makan daging. So makan is a verb which means to eat. It means I don't eat meat. Saya belum makan means I have not eaten. So maybe in a few minutes I will eat. So that's how we use belum. For now, I have not eaten yet. And lastly, saya bukan makan tapi telan. So this means I didn't eat, but I swallowed. So the usage of verbs is similar to adjectives for bukan. It requires an additional support. So it's denying a particular verb, but it needs explanation. But rather than eating, I swallowed. So that's how we use bukan with verbs and adjectives. So other than verbs and adjectives, we can only use bukan. So we can't use belum or tak with nouns or with pronouns. So we only use bukan with those type of words. For example, bukan dia. So this means not him or her. Barang tu bukan saya punya. So this means those things are not mine. So we can't say barang tu tak saya punya. So we can't use that. That's wrong. Next example, surat tu bukan untuk awak. So untuk is a preposition. So this means that letter is not for you. So we cannot form the sentence with tak or belum. If, for example, surat tu tak untuk awak. So that's wrong. So one point to note is the word bukan, if it comes with lagi, it means not anymore. If belum with lagi means not yet. So we'll continue to look at more examples in the next video next week. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below.